Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix Android messages not delivering. If you are using an Android phone and you are having an issue to deliver the messages, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to check two settings. First, you have to keep a long press on message app, then tap on app info, and here go for notifications and make sure that your notification setting has been enabled. After doing this, just go back, open Messages app, and here tap on your file, then select message settings, then select your SIM, and after that here you just have to make sure that your get SMS delivery report service has been enabled. You just have to enable it, and after that you will be able to get the delivery report or your message will be delivered. So that's how you can fix Android messages not delivering. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.